Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn some examples on exact equations. So without wasting our time, let us move to the green board. Now today I am going to solve some examples on exact differential equations. So before starting this exact differential equation, you write down remember. The equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is exact if dou m divided by dou y is equal to dou n divided by dou x. Then its solution is given by. Then the solution is integration of m into dx treating y as constant plus integration of, so here we can write terms in n not containing x, not containing x, bracket complete, dy is equal to constant. So this is the solutions, or we can also write it as integration of m into dx y is equal to constant plus integration of terms in n means n with respect to dy and here I will write free from x means we have to integrate the term containing y only is equal to constant. Now write down the examples. Solve x square minus ay into dx, x square minus ay into dx plus y square minus ax into dy is equal to 0. So in this case, the given differential equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. The given equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. If you compare, the value for m is equal to x square minus ay and the value for n is equal to y square minus ax. That implies m is equal to x square minus ay and n is equal to y square minus ax. Now first we have to check whether the given differential equation is exact or not. To check the exactness, we have the condition dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So first find dou m divided by dou y. What do you mean by dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y is nothing but you have to differentiate m partially with respect to y, treating x as constant. So here x is constant, differentiation is 0, minus a is constant, right as it is, differentiation of y with respect to y is equal to 1. So here dou m by dou y is equal to a. Similarly, find the value for dou n divided by dou x. Dou n by dou x means differentiation of n partially with respect to x, treating y as constant. So this y is constant means differentiation is 0, minus a as it is. Then what is differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So this is equal to minus a, and in first case I have forgotten to write minus sign. So please write down minus a. Here dou m divided by dou y is equal to dou n divided by dou x. Therefore, the given equation is exact. Therefore, the given differential equation is exact, and hence its solution is integration of m into dx, treating y as constant, plus integration of n into dy free from x is equal to constant c. So now substitute the values. This is integration of m into dx. The term y is constant, so that is x square minus ay bracket complete dx. Here y is equal to constant, I will write, and then plus. Now integration of the term in n not containing x means free from x. N value is y square minus ax, where this second term has x but the condition is free from x, means you have to write down the y value only. So the term containing y is only y square into dy. This is, I will write, free from x. This is equal to c. Okay, now treating y as constant means, first what is integration of x square? Integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 minus a is constant and this y is also constant because they are given y is equal to constant, and minus ay I will write as it is, minus ay constant, right as it is. The remaining term is dx, and what is integration of dx? Integration of dx is x plus what is integration of y square? Integration of y square is y cube divided by 3 is equal to c, or we can also write it as, if you take LCM, x cube minus 3axy plus y cube is equal to 3c, and 3c is constant. We can also write it as c1, which is the required solution. Next example, solve y into sine 2x into dx, y into sine 2x into dx minus into bracket 1 plus y square plus cos square x plus cos square x into dy is equal to 0. So here the given equation is in the form of m into dx. So this is m value. This is m value and this total is n value. This is n value. So I will write here m is equal to y into sine 2x and n is equal to minus into bracket 1 plus y square plus cos square x, cos square x. Find the value for dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y means x is constant. So first I will write sine 2x is constant as it is, because we have to differentiate partially with respect to y. Partially with respect to y means treating x as constant. So sine 2x is constant, the remaining term is y, and differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. Similarly, dou n divided by dou x, you have to differentiate the term containing x only. Minus as it is, 1 is constant, differentiation is 0, y is constant because differentiate partially with respect to x, treating y as constant. So y is constant, its differentiation is 0. What is differentiation of cos square x? Differentiation of cos square x is 2 cos x into differentiation of cos x is minus sine x, and is equal to this minus into minus becomes plus. You will get 2 cos x into sine x, and 2 cos x into sine x we can also write it as sine 2x. Here dou m divided by dou y is equal to dou n divided by dou x. Therefore the given differential equation, briefly I will write DE, differential equation is exact, and hence its solution is, integration of m into dx plus integration of n into dy is equal to constant, where first one y is equal to constant and in second one free from x. Now write down the value of m. What is the value of m here? That is integration of m value is equal to y into sine 2x bracket complete dx y is equal to constant. Okay, plus. Now write down the value for n. What is the value for n? Minus into bracket 1 plus y square plus cos square x. Okay, now you have to write down the term containing y only. Free from x means you are not supposed to write down the value which has x. So this has cos square has x means you are not supposed to write this. The remaining term is only 1 minus into bracket 1 plus y square. So I will write here directly, that is integration of minus into bracket 1 plus y square into dy is equal to c. Now we have to integrate y sine 2x where y is constant. Y is constant means I will write as it is. Y is constant means I will write as it is. That is y as it is. What is integration of sine 2x? What is integration of this sine 2x? Integration of sine 2x is minus cos 2x minus cos 2x divided by 2. This is integration of sine 2x plus this plus into minus is minus, I will write minus sign. What is integration of 1 into dy? Integration of 1 into dy is y. Integration of 1 into dy is y. And what is integration of y square into dy? Integration of y square into dy is y cube divided by 3. Bracket complete is equal to c. And you can also write it as, if you take LCM, LCM is 6. If you take LCM, LCM is 6. Here we have to multiplying with 3. And here we have to multiplying with, that is, here we have to multiplying with 6. And here we have to multiplying with 3. Sorry, 2. So what you will get? First I will write minus, then 3y cos 2x, then minus into 6y is minus 6y, and minus into 2y cube is minus 2y cube is equal to c. Transpose this 6 to the right hand side and multiplying with minus sign. So I will write 3y cos 2x plus 6y plus 2y cube is equal to minus 6c. You can multiply both the sides by minus sign. So left hand side becomes plus, right hand side becomes minus. Transpose 6 to the right hand side. And this minus 6 is also constant. You can also write it as C1, which is the required solution. Next example, solve. 3x square plus 6xy square, 3x square plus 6xy square into dx plus 6x square y plus 4y cube bracket complete dy is equal to 0. So in this case, this is m value and this is n value. So m is equal to 3x square plus 6xy square and n value is equal to 6x square y plus 4y cube. Now find the value for dou m divided by dou y. Treating x as constant means this 3x square is constant. Differentiation is 0. In case of 6xy square, first I will write constant term. 6x is constant because partially with respect to y. The remaining term is y square and y square differentiation is 2y. So total we can write it as 12xy. Now dou n divided by dou x. Dou n by dou x means differentiate partially with respect to x. Treating y as constant means 6 and y is constant. I will write as it is. The remaining term is x square. What is differentiation of this x square? Differentiation of x square is 2x plus 4 is constant, y is also constant because partially with respect to x means treating y as constant. So 4y cube is constant. Its differentiation is equal to 0. And here also you will get 12xy. So here dou m divided by dou y is equal to dou n divided by dou x. Therefore, its solution is given by, its solution is, what is its solution? Integration of m into dx treating y as constant plus integration of n into dy, that is free from x, free from x is equal to c, or briefly you can also write it as ny, means the term containing y only, the term containing y only. So now this is equal to, okay, integration of, what is m value? M value is 3x square plus 6xy square, bracket complete, dx, y is equal to constant. You have to integrate with respect to x but treating y as constant. Integration of n dy free from x, or n of y into dy means from n you have to write down the term containing y only. The 6x square y plus 4y cube, free from x means the first term contains x, so you are not supposed to write this term, and second term is purely a y term, so you can write only the term containing y, that is 4y cube into dy is equal to c. Then here 3x square, 3 as it is, what is integration of x square? Integration of x square is x cube divided by 3, okay, plus in second term first write down y is constant means 6 is constant, y is constant means y square is constant, the remaining term is x, and what is integration of x? Integration of x is x square divided by 2 plus in next term 4 is constant, what is integration of y cube? Integration of y cube is y raised to 4 divided by 4 is equal to c. Here 4 get cancels, 3 get cancels, 2 1s are and 2 3s are. So the remaining terms are x cube plus 3x square y square plus y raised to 4 is equal to c, which is the required solution. Now I request all the students to try the following examples. So try yourself. First example, solve sec square x into tan y into dx plus sec square y into tan x into dy is equal to 0, and its answer is tan y into tan x, tan y into tan x is equal to c. Second example, solve 2xy plus y, 2xy plus y minus tan y bracket complete dx plus x square minus x tan square y, x tan square y plus sec square y into dy is equal to 0, and its answer is x square y plus xy minus x tan y plus tan y is equal to C. Third example, solve x cube minus 2xy x cube minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 3y square into dx plus 4y cube plus 6xy plus 6xy minus x square into dy is equal to 0, and its answer is x cube divided by 3 minus x square y plus 3xy square plus y raised to 4 is equal to C.